That's real water right there. It's raining, bro. It's raining in the States. What's that? Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube reactor from the Philippines. Hai semua, apa kabar? Selamat malam. Malam ini saya buat reaksi video untuk EXO lagi. You guys requested me to react to their performance in Japan. It's the songs White Noise, Thunder, and Playboy. Also Artificial Love. It's my first time actually to be listening to these songs and I'm super excited, so without further ado guys, let's go check this out. It's a 13-minute video. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh! What? Wow, the dance moves! Deal, bro! It's too early for me to be fanboying. The moves though! Shumi. That's Shumi, right? Chen! Love the falsetto. Great vocals. That's that cute. No! No! Oh my gosh, bro. That's a very big venue though. What's that? Okay, I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna say the name. Oh wow. What? That's real water right there. It's raining, bro. It's raining in the States. Wow. It's literally raining right now. Wow. Dio's haircut is so cool. That haircut is so cool on him. Oh. Wow. Love the shifting to the falsetto. Oh wow. Wow. Everybody looks so good in black. It's one of my favorite colors, black. Yes. Nice, Chen. Nice. Very nice. Was that Shumi? I'm confused now. I'm trying to figure out where it's Okay. I'm trying to figure out where is Lei and Seju. Oh, the thunder though, wow. So this is thunder. Oh! What was that? Come on! What was that? That was cute though. Nice vocals. Nice vocals. Oh. Girl! Did you see that? Wow. Oh wow. Nice. Nice, wow. Wow, so smooth. His vocals. Yes! Oh wow. His outfit is kind of sexy though with a slit. Girls, you're loving this for sure. Wow. What? Is it just me or everybody is really a good dancer? Even Dio is a good dancer. Love that. Nice. Wow, what a nice song. What? What did he say? This is Playboy. What was that? Bro! Wow. Wow. My goodness. Can you handle this, guys? Not the rap. They're kind of aggressive in this video. It's my first time to actually seeing them like sexy and aggressive. This is really worth the money for everybody who went to their concert. Wow. He doesn't even need to overdo it. Oh. Kung Fu dance moves. Nice falsetto right there. Love it. So clean. Oh. They're also good. Everybody is going crazy. Woo. Are you guys still okay out there? Everybody who's watching this, I feel you guys. Whoa. Wow. Okay, wait. This is overload for me, actually. It's overload of goodness. So let me just breathe for a second right here. Wow. Okay, let's go, guys. They got canes as props. Who's doing the rap? It's good. Wow. Artificial love. Whoa. Vocals, really good. Still. What? What the heck? What the heck? Wow. Okay. They got some moves right there. Love the stage. Wow. The stage floor is so beautiful. Oh. Oh. Oh, love expression. I know what you're thinking. My goodness, those are the bombs in this video. They just dropped it. Great moves, wow, so smooth. Wow, that run, wow. Bro, super lit. Nice chin. Nice, Dio. Wow, that's a modified moonwalk right there. Wow. Blindfold? You kidding me? Ooh, this is cool. Wait! No cheating with blindfolds. This is difficult, I'm telling you guys. This is difficult. and they keep themselves in the center. That's so hard. They might fall actually. Oh, it's actually not really a real blindfold. Everybody is going crazy in this concert. It's over, okay. My gosh, I cannot breathe, bro. What is going on? This is worth every penny you pay going to this concert. Like vocals, performance, surprises. And by the way, I love the light sticks for EXO. It's so cool. I love it. And I might buy one, so I don't know if it's available online. Like, can you guys tell me how to get one? I'm really interested to buy one and probably use it in my reactions. And I don't even know what to say anymore. I mean, they just killed it. Their concert performances are just so high level, like high quality kind of performance. The vocals, the dance moves, the props, everything, and the rain at the start was so cool. That was so cool, really. And I am just loving this, guys. So if you got more of this, just comment down below. You know the drill. And you could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, the description box right down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.
Cinta kita melukiskan sejarah, mengelarkan cerita penuh sukacita.